Hi, my name is Mark Swanson, and I'm a sales and brokerage consultant here at MarineMax Naples in sunny Southwest Florida. I was born in South Florida and I grew up boating and fishing with my parents, and now I share the amazing experiences with my wife and children. Did you know that MarineMax is the largest recreational boat and yacht retailer in the world? And here in Southwest Florida, we sell more boats and yachts than any other dealer in the United States. So if you're interested in purchasing a boat or yacht, I can help you find the perfect vessel for you and your family. If you are looking to sell your boat, there's no better place than to do it right here in Southwest Florida. People look here from all over the country to find high quality pre-owned boats. When I represent you, I handle the entire sales process from start to finish. I will help you price your boat based on current market trends and demand, take professional photos and video, and advertise it on a variety of major boat sale websites, including MarineMax.com. When people respond to your listing, I will make sure to qualify potential buyers and schedule time to show the boat. I make the entire process very easy for you. Again, my name is Mark Swanson. Give me a call and find out how I can assist you and meet your specific needs. You can reach me at 954-531-2505 or email me at mark.swanson@marinemax.com. I look forward to working with you.